starting the recording right now, so
Okay, thanks, guys.
whatever's left.
You're welcome. Have fun.
You want to do my presentation?
No, you're almost done.
You can do it, graduate.
Yeah.
You're almost there.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, ladies, I will talk to you soon.
Okay, well, we'll have to talk through email. We'll talk through email about, or we could meet again next week and talk about the PowerPoint and stuff. Want to do that?
That's good. Yeah, and I can, I have your charts, right, Christy? You emailed them to us.
Yeah.
And I emailed all the other stuff that I filled out. I'm not sure it's the best, but.
No, I read it. It was great. I will do the PowerPoint, then I can email it to you guys and see what you guys want, and we can meet on Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll just contact through emails about what we're going to turn in Saturday.
Sounds good. Okay.
Okay, good luck.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. And then there were 2. All right. Okay, so for number 14, I said D.
Okay, hold on. I'm making some notes about the 2-tailed, 1-tailed thing because that's what I got. I forgot about that.
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't figure out why I had that one wrong because I felt like I did everything right, but.
Yeah.
Okay, so number 14. Let's see. Oh yeah, did you say dependent because he needs the couples?
Yeah, the last one.
So D, yeah, D.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I wish we had all multiple choice.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Oh, great.
I think I think they make the questions complicated enough that they could show a little mercy and do multiple choice on everything.
I agree. Totally agree.
Okay, so number 15.
So I did the paired sample t-test.
Okay, yeah.
And I got 0.096.
That's what I got too, and I think that matches with the old question too on the quiz.
Dang, I should have looked these up, but then I would have just put in the answer and not known how I got it.
Well, it's very time consuming too, but it's nice to. I still work through them. It's just nice to know what the right answer is, so you know if you're on the right track.
Right. Yeah, I agree. Okay, 16.
Okay, so let's see. I said C, no, because the p-value was greater than the level of significance.
Yes, I agree. C, Eloisa, number 16.
She'll be emailing us. Could you speak up on number, whatever?
We got them all wrong. Don't listen to us. Okay. So 17, I said yes, and the second answer, the distribution of mean differences is normal because the data have been determined to be normal.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay. That's found in chapter 12. We should just give her the chapters to look up.
That's right.
Number 18 can be found in chapter 12, page 20.
Good luck.
Okay, so 18. I picked the third one.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay. Well, the weird part is I was just associating when it says different that there should be a D.
Ooh, that's a good one to remember.
I know, I was like, oh, duh.
Yeah, it's different. D.
Duh. Different gets the D. Okay.
All right, so on 19, I put B, 95% of all 95% confidence intervals will contain the true mean.
Yep, that's what I put.
You know, I always, if I see, I shouldn't say this, it'll probably jinx me now, but if I see that version, 95% of all 95% confidence, I just pick it.
Yeah, that's me too. That's why when there were two choices on that one.
Yeah. It's like, I know it's got to be this one, but.
Like, wait a minute, there's two choices?
How can they both be right? I'm confused.
Okay, 20. These are the fun ones that we.
Yeah, we have fun with those before.
Yeah. So I got 50.
Except that's what I got too, except it's wrong.
Why is it wrong?
Because I don't know why, but you have to use the one that's just N times P.
So it's 12.5?
Yeah, and then you round up to 13. It was a quiz question.
What the heck? How do you decide?
I don't know. I did figure this out once, how to decide, and I forgot.
Well, great.
Because after we went through all the agony over this in lesson 16, and then something was weird about my homework quiz too. I could only open an Internet Explorer, and I did terrible on that one.
This last one?
The homework, lesson 16 homework quiz. And I can't even open it in Firefox to look at the old quiz. I still have to open it in Internet Explorer.
Oh,
it was
weird.
Like totally jinxed. Anyway, after that, I started trying to figure this out, and somehow I decided how to choose, but I can't remember now. It has something to do with the one minus if it's.
You are so helpful.
At least I know it's 13.
That's true.
All I can tell you.
That's true. But I wouldn't have done that. And why do we round it up?
Because it's a sample size.
Oh.
You can't have a half a person.
Okay. Fine. Whatever. Okay. Number 21. I said B.
Yes, 40 times square root of 10. Yeah, that's what I had to.
And that's when I had to think about it because I didn't know if I was supposed to use the 0.233 or the 0.250.
Yeah, me either. For some reason, I just decided on that one.
Yeah. Because I think it was because what they wanted to see.
Yeah, I think so too.
So hopefully we're right.
I don't care about batting averages ever, so.
I know. Either. I'm like, who cares? Okay, 22 is actually in the homework. And that's when I got wrong on the homework. So I picked the last choice.
Yeah, that's what I got too, but I don't remember why.
I wrote down why.
Okay, why?
This is what they told me. because the geneticist is looking at the proportion which contain the chromosomes for development, a p-hat of 0.512 is her sample portion of the gametes in the sample that have the male chromosomes.
Wow.
Did you want me to say that again?
We got sample right anyway.
Yeah.
It's the only answer for the sample.
So I guess the key is, I don't know what it is.
Okay, well, let's
Well,
see.
sample.
Question. Assume the unknown proportion contain the chromosome used for blah, blah, blah. What is she trying to find out? Random sample.
So the proportion which contains the chromosomes for development into a male. I don't know.
Well, it doesn't even really say what she's trying to find out.
I know. Like, I knew it wasn't the eggs.
Yeah.
I knew it probably wasn't, but the last two.
Oh, that's my other good luck thing. Anytime I see a chance, if there's a chance, that's wrong. That's not it. That's not, to say there's a chance of something, that's not the language that we use, right?
That's true. That's true.
So you can just discount that one. It's not the eggs. And so actually C sounds kind of screwy too, because all of the gametes,
yeah,
that just seems wrong. So yeah, it is a sample. We're looking at a sample. So 51.2% of the sample have no chromosomes.
Yeah. Anyway, that one really confused me, and
Yeah, I had a hard time with that originally, and I'm still having a hard time, but it kind of sort of makes sense, but I don't know why. So, number 23.
Okay. So I use the p-hat minus p divided by, like, I found the z-score. I don't know what you did.
P
divided by
p minus p divided by what?
The square root
Okay.
of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Yeah. Is the square root of n or just n? What did I do?
I think it's just n.
Just n, okay.
Wow, that's what I did.
Okay, and so what did you?
I got negative 1.284. And then I put that in the probability app and got 0.449.
So what did you use for p-hat?
For p-hat, now I wasn't sure how to do this, but I divided 320 by 750. Because it says calculate the probability that fewer than 320 out of 750 adults.
Okay. That makes
I don't know if
sense.
that's, yeah, I don't know if that's right.
Okay, can we use that? Can we use the Excel?
Oh.
I did. I put it in Excel.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I did.
gosh. I didn't. Wow. So you did a test of one proportion.
Yes. And I did, let's see. I did 320 over 750. Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh my gosh. What would you get?
Let's see. Let me put it in again real quick. Because
Oh, I did all that work for nothing?
it was like nostalgic, good memories for you.
No.
It's good to know those formulas though, because I don't know, it just drives me crazy. There's so many different formulas, and like there's two names for everything, right?
Yeah.
Fewer than. Okay, so it's 45% and it's less than.
Mhm.
Okay.
I can't believe I didn't put it in Excel. Ugh.
Okay, this is coming up. The p-value says 1.
What? 1.
Weird.
Great.
But you know, I think this one was in the quiz. Lesson
And it was
16.
1?
No, it was 0.1. Look at your lesson 16 quiz.
Lesson 16.
This is the one. I can't pull it up unless I go into Explorer.
Okay.
Which is weird, but I did actually take a lot of notes on this one because I got things so wrong. Even the second time I took it, I only got a B-.
Really?
Yeah, I was like total the worst quiz ever.
Lesson. I don't know if I wrote it down. Oh, wait.
It's number 9 on the lesson 16 homework quiz.
Well, of course, I only went up to number 5.
You can pull it up on your iLearn.
My iLearn? Okay.
Yeah, go back to.
Is this it? Oh, wait. Number 9. Okay. Standard, let's see, 1.1028.
Well, I just have 0.10. I have 0.100. Did you get it right?
Well, I have a, star next to it. So I wrote it out. Okay, so this is the same problem?
Number 23.
Okay.
65.
I didn't do this in, I don't think I did this in the normal probability applet because I didn't know how at that point. So I did the 3, okay, I'm going to erase this. I'm going to start over, not to annoy you, but.
That's fine. I'm trying to figure out why this p-hat is not matching, or p-value is not matching up.
Okay. So the first thing I did is I divided 320 by 750, and I got 0.427. Remember, you can't round on this one. Right?
Well, yeah, you're not supposed to round till the end.
Okay. And then I took 0.45 times 1 minus 0.45 divided by 750.
Oh, you know what? That's not the same, is it?
Huh?
Sorry. Sorry, I'm talking over you and.
Okay, so then I found the standard deviation. And so I used the square root of P1 minus P divided by N. Okay. So I got 0.00033, and then I took the square root of that. and I got 0.018165902. And then are you following me?
Not at all.
Okay, then I took the p-hat, which was 427, so I put 427, and I subtracted it from the percentage of 0.45, and I divided that by my standard deviation. So I divided that by 0.018165902. Stick with me here. 0.018165902, and I got negative 1.22. So equal negative 1.2661. And then you have to put that in the probability app, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're not even paying attention.
Well, I'm not working the problem. I'm trying to figure out why the Excel didn't come up with the right thing.
Oh.
Because it's showing a p-value of, I'm sorry, it's showing a z-score of like 11. And I think it has to do with the null hypothesis.
Oh.
I think I did that wrong. I think I should have left it at 95. Let me try this real quick. Do you have a z-score yet?
Yeah, I have a negative 1.2661.
Hang on, let me see if I change this. And I change this. There we go. Okay, negative what?
1.2661.
Okay, that's really close. I have negative 1.284 is what the Excel is showing.
You know why you might have gotten it wrong? Because you know how they said sometimes the answers are a little different in Excel than they are when you do them by hand?
Yeah. That's true. But what happens if we put it in the applet?
So I put it in the applet and I highlighted the left side because it says
it says less than, right?
Yeah, fewer than. Did you do less than in your app in your Excel?
I did.
Okay. And then I got 0.1028.
Okay, you put in negative 1.2 what?
661. Well, it just lets you go up to 66.
Okay, and then you just highlighted the left portion only?
Yeah.
And what did you get for the area?
0.1028.
Okay. And what are they asking for?
Probability.
Give your 3 decimal places.
So 0.103.
Except I'm pretty sure, you know what, I'm just going to open that. I'm going to open 2 iLearns here and see if I can crash my computer. Because I know it's in that quiz. 'Cause 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 'c had so many things open last night because I opened a bunch of those PowerPoint things.
Yeah.
Have you ever looked at those?
Yeah.
I opened a bunch of those, and I had the test. I had a bunch of quizzes open.
Your computer's like, what are you doing?
You're a good little computer. Please don't croak on me for at least another week. Then I can live with it.
At least we're halfway done.
Sweet.
Oh, dear.
I really do. I hope that 2 chances thing is true. That'll be nice. And then we can
I know.
we can email. Okay, which one did you get wrong? This has been like the cursed quiz. Yeah, the first time I got like a C minus, and then I went through and fixed as much as I could, and then the second time I did, I got a B minus. I was just like, oh, I'm so glad I got better.
That's okay. Our very last one.
Yeah.
I got a C minus.
Yikes.
Well,
okay.
The first time I got like a D minus.
Wow. Okay, I'm going to read this, and you follow along and make sure that it's exactly the same question, okay? I'm going to skip to the part where it starts all the numbers, okay? In the U.S., 45% of adults over 65 suffer from one or more conditions considered in the study. Calculate the probability that fewer than 320 out of the N equals 750 young adults in the study suffer from one or more of the conditions.
Yeah.
Under consideration. Give your answers accurate to 3 decimal places. So that matches up exactly, right?
Yep.
Okay. So the correct answer is 0.100.
What? Is that so? Did you use your probability app? I mean, did you use the Excel for this?
Yeah, I used Excel.
So I'm wondering if you did it by hand, they gave you either answer.
Did you get it right?
I got it right too.
Oh. Okay.
So that's what I'm thinking anyway.
Okay, yeah. So maybe they're like making allowances for that.
Yeah, like there's 2 different. You could get it right with either one.
Maybe. Yeah. Okay.
So Eloisa, pick your battles.
She's probably so. Can you imagine listening? Can you imagine trying to listen to this and figure out what the heck we're talking about?
Oh, by the way, that was number 23.
We're sorry, Eloise. Be glad you're graduating. You'll never have to deal with underclassmen again and be their partner. You'll never have to be in that group with an underclassman. Oh, wow. Okay, number 24.
I said C. 1.182.
That's what I got too.
Great. And that's because we multiplied 0.091 times 2 because it was a 2-tailed.
I don't remember what I did.
I'm telling you what you did.
Okay. I believe you.
Okay. All right. This one I got wrong on the homework quiz, but I know the right answer now. How about you?
Oh yeah, I did get that one wrong, but then
Yeah,
because that's like the most messed up answer ever.
I know. So any N will do.
Yeah. Who cares? It's not science or anything.
Yeah. Who cares?
So this is F. Any N will do. Because it's just dogs. Who cares if you get it wrong?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
They'll have babies eventually. Gosh.
Okay. Number 26.
And this one was weird too. They changed it. They changed the answer.
Well, right, because I picked the second one. What'd you pick?
I had the original one, I had no, because n times 1 minus b hat was less than 10.
Oh,
That was a choice. So the only thing that's even close to that is D. It's no, because the sample size was too small.
what the crap?
The sample size for the women was too small. That was.
Okay, so, okay, so I only did the one formula. That might be a problem.
Yeah, I think you kind of have to work both of them and just see what fits the best. I don't know.
Oh, right. That makes sense.
Well, in this case, you'd have to work 4 of them. 2
Yeah.
for the men and 2 for the women.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. And yes, it is too small. So, good job.
Yay.
I would have gotten that wrong and said, I don't know why.
Well, let's hope I'm right then.
Yeah. 26. Let's hope she's right.
You can send me a crabby email. You were wrong.
Hate mail.
26.
Okay. Now, number 27, I hope you remember what I told you about this.
It's the only one with a D.
That's right. D for duh. All right. I think the rest of these are all, oh, no, they're not. Never mind. I was hoping they were all multiple choice, but they're not. Okay. I jumped the gun a little.
Well, the next
Okay,
one is anyway.
I'm going to be real honest with number 28, and I had no clue.
Oh, well, let's see. Yeah, I even looked up the lesson and tried to figure this out.
Yeah.
I thought maybe it was B. His actual weight was 5.5 higher than predicted, because it did talk about predicted things.
Yeah.
But other than that, I don't know.
Wow. Okay.
Because regression has to do with predicted. So that's the only thing I'm going on.
I know, but
Instead-
there's predicted in the first one, too.
Oh, he predicted oh, I see. Well, let's see. His predicted weight loss. What are they saying that's different? His predicted weight loss was
And the last one has predicted.
actual. Okay, well, there goes my theory. But I think it was the wording.
So the actual weight loss was 5.5. Wait, which one? The last one? No, the second one.
I thought it was B. His actual weight loss is 5.5 higher than the predicted, but his predicted weight loss. These could just be turned around though.
Yeah.
This was 5. But if he didn't exercise, I mean, how scientific is? I don't know. I'm still mad about. Never mind. But the question about the bolts. Do you remember that one?
The what?
The question about the size of the bolts. It was like a couple of weeks ago, maybe.
No.
I don't know. The answer was a shorter width. You just don't have a width that's shorter.
Oh, the washing machine one?
Yeah, or whatever it was.
Yeah, I got that one wrong too.
Yeah, you don't have a width that's shorter. You have a width that's smaller, but not shorter.
Yeah. Yeah, that one I was a little messed up.
To me, the language was just ridiculous.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's got nothing to do with this. Let's see. Trying to remember.
Okay. Number 29? I chose number C because of the wording.
29. What did I say? 29. As a person, you said C?
Yeah. As
Percent
compliance
goes up by 1%, the average of 5 pounds are lost in 3 months.
in 3 months.
Yeah, that could be because it's weird because you're saying it goes up, but it's lost at the same time. That's what's confusing to me.
Yeah.
So compliance goes up, weight loss goes up. Yeah, that could be it. I think anything goes on those two.
I'll just tell you, I'll turn mine in and I'll tell you which ones we got wrong. Okay.
Oh, so you're actually doing the quiz?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm actually doing it.
Okay. All right.
And at this point, I'm like, who cares? Okay. So for this one, I just looked in the lesson on that chart. And I just picked the 3 that you could find the information on.
Oh. Yeah. Actually, I thought, the wording is a little bit different on some of them, but it's still kind of, the only one I had a question on that didn't sound was the last one. The variance of error term is constant for all values of x. But that's kind of the same as x's are known constants.
Yeah.
They're just saying it different.
Yeah.
So yes, and there is a linear relationship, and yes, the observations are independent, and the residuals are normally distributed.
Oh, I only did the residuals are normally distributed. There's a linear relationship, and the variance of the error term is constant.
So x values are known constant. X values without error.
The first and the third one I didn't choose.
Observations are independent. How come C? How come you don't think C?
Just a minute. Let me find it. Let's see. Let's find that chart. Okay, so well, I was looking at the in the preparation assignment, the little chart they gave us.
Mm-hmm.
And so for C, the observations are independent.
That was the last one listed on the chart that I had.
Yeah, and it says cannot be checked. Knowing the value of one of the y's tells you nothing about any other points.
But don't we just assume that those are okay? Because we can't. Because it's an assumption.
Right. Well, that's just why I didn't check it.
Okay. Well, I kind of think it could almost be all of them, but I can't say for sure. Because, yeah, those two, we don't know. A and C we can't check those.
Yeah, those are the ones, yeah. And that was my only reason I don't have a good answer.
Okay. All right. Well, I can go along with that, I guess. But it could very well be all of them because I think that they're just like, well, we can't check these, so, you know how they are.
Yeah. I mean,
so it's either all of them or it's B, D, and E.
Yeah. Okay, what is it saying? It's saying the scatter plot, residual plot, and the QQ plot. So
the residuals is the.
So there is, okay, check the 5 assumptions, include the graphs charts appropriate. So here they show, it's on part 2 of the preparation assignment. Answer key. List the 5 assumptions below. Explain how you check the assumption. Include charts, graphs are appropriate. Okay, so for a scatter plot, then that's how you check there's a linear relationship between X and Y.
Right.
Okay, so that's D. A QQ plot, the error term E is normally distributed.
And the residuals is
no megaphone shape for the scatter plot.
Right.
The variance of error term is constant for all values.
Okay, yeah, constant variance. Okay, yeah, so and so these are the ones, what are we checking is the question. So I think you're right. So it's B, D, and E.
But then it says D, X's are fixed and measured without error. In other words, the X can be considered as known constant. We will assume that X's have been measured accurately and precisely. But I guess you can't check those, right?
Yeah, because this is definitely asking, or what are you checking?
Okay.
So.
Okay. We got through that one. That only took us 10 minutes.
Sorry, I was not really reading the question very well.
I know, it's okay. I could totally be wrong, but that's how I took it. Okay, 31. Okay, this one we just did the correlate in SPSS.
Yeah.
Right? From chapter 23, and we found the R.
Right.
Which would be 0.780.
That's what I got.
Great.
That's a relief.
Woo, we got one. Okay, we're almost done. 32.
Okay. 32, we are checking for, oh, what did you think of that one? I didn't think it looked linear to me, but.
Okay, well, the only reason why I put the second choice is because I looked at lesson 21 in the homework. Number 9 had almost the exact same shape.
Really?
Yeah, so lesson 21, homework question number 9. I believe. Okay. I don't know if it's a prep assignment or the quiz. And so I chose, that one.
Well, you know, my line didn't even, when I put the line in, it was like way off from the line. I mean, it was positive. It is positive. It is going up. Right. But it's not, it doesn't look linear to me. I'm sorry. I just will never be comfortable with calling that. Linear.
So, and those should be like the easiest things, you know, and I'm like, this isn't easy.
Yeah, and you can totally get them wrong because it's ridiculous.
Yeah, like I'm looking at these dots and they mean nothing to me.
Really?
Okay. Oh.
Oh, yeah. And this is where it went bad.
Oh, really?
For me, anyway. I don't know. It was like 11 o'clock at night. I was tired.
Oh. Okay, well, this one I just did the analyze regression linear
Okay.
one. And I got, well, I guess it's asking for BO and B1, right? So 115.640. And then I got 0.267 for the B1. So I just kind of like, I felt like the last 31, 32, they're all kind of built up upon each other.
Yeah.
33. So I just kept putting them in SPSS and building it up.
Okay. Well, I'll pull it up again and work through it if you want to wait, or.
Yeah, I don't care.
All right, let me pull up the thing. I don't think I saved it.
Time in the world.
Because we love to do math and we love to sit here for hours and
Yeah.
stuff out.
It's only
really
been 2 hours.
So why am I complaining?
The test is going to take 4.
Definitely.
Uh,
Oh, my computer doesn't like me. Let me try to close some stuff out.
oh, I put that in wrong. Get checked.
Okay. Okay, what's the name of the file?
It is direct flight costs.
Okay.
The funny part is I put in, you know how they have the what if calculator?
Yeah.
Did you do that?
I have not done it for this class, no.
I did, and I was like, what if I get a 0% on this final?
And how'd you
I don't want
do?
to take it. What?
And did you still pass?
Yeah, C's get degrees.
Okay, awesome. I like that.
Yeah, I have to
gives
get
me
like
hope.
a 92. I have to get a 92 to get an A in here. That's not going to happen.
Yeah.
So I'm okay with it.
Ellie, I don't ever, ever, ever want to take this class again.
Me either. That's why I put in the lowest grade I could get.
That's true. Even if you do, it's probably not likely you're going to get 0. So
Right.
maybe
Yeah.
you get something. It'll keep you afloat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want analyze, regression,
Linear.
linear. And did you do the 90 days as the independent?
As the independent?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I thought. And then what else do we have to do on that one? We need some plots here or no? We
What?
need statistics. We need statistics, confidence intervals, part and partial.
Oh, you don't have to do that yet.
Oh,
Right?
all right.
I mean, you can, but
I just go through and do them all because it's easier than going back and doing it, I guess.
yeah.
Okay, So we're looking for
So you're going to the B, right?
under the, okay, this is, we're looking at the coefficients box
Yeah.
under B. Okay. Next to constant, I have 115.640.
Uh-huh.
And under the 90 days, I have 0.627.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yay.
And then what are we answering?
So you're answering the B0 or whatever, the slope and the
Okay.
BO.
So how would we even write that? Find the missing variables. So you'd have to write the whole equation, I guess?
Yeah, so yeah, I just put y equals BO plus B1x. That's the equation. But in the test, they're actually just asking for the slope and the y-intercept.
Oh.
So they're just asking for the 115.640 and the 0.627.
So the 115 is the slope.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And so that would, so your equation would be y equals 0.627 plus.
Oh, no. No, y equals 115.640,
Oh, sorry.
right?
But I thought B1 was the slope.
It's BO plus V1x. So BO is the first number. Oh, should we have Christian go get the girls? Okay. I don't know if he's allowed. I don't know if he's on that sheet. He probably is probably fine. Christian, you need to go pick up your sisters. Don't argue with me, son.
He's a good boy.
Now.
He's a good boy.
She can hear you being rude.
You're a good kid. Don't listen to her.
He's not. Okay, so BO is the top number when you read it under the coefficients where the big B is. It's the top number is BO, and the bottom number is B1.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, good.
All right.
Good.
Okay. So for the next one, we just fill in the $200, right? Into our equation for X.
Okay.
So 115.640 plus 0.627 times 200, right?
Times, yeah, yes.
Okay. Oh,
Just
and
write
it
it
says one
down.
decimal place? Okay. So if it's just one decimal place, 241.0.
Hold on, let me put in my calculator real quick.
Okay.
I have to write stuff down because I hate switching back and forth between screens. I just like to. So the 115 is first.
Huh? Yeah.
115 plus 0.627 times 200.
Yeah.
Okay, I got 241.04.
Yep. That's what I
Excellent.
got. Okay.
Oh, so only one decimal place, so I guess it would just be 241.0.
Yeah. Who shouldn't you have to go now? Take it out at 3. They're already out of school. They get out at 3. You're not checking them out. They're just waiting outside because there's no bus. Sorry.
Well, okay. Just trying to figure out what to do on the next one because I'm not sure I know. Do we have this
Oh.
information?
You already did this part when you put in your 95% confidence.
Okay. So it's the bottom numbers?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I have 0.518
Yeah.
for the lower and 0.735 for the upper.
Yep. That's
Okay.
what I have.
That's number 35. Okay. Choose an
Okay.
analysis. So which one did we do? What did I do? So I had D, the last answer.
Yeah, that's what I had. Actually, on one of the tests, I got it right the first time, and then for some reason I changed my answer. I don't know why.
Oh no.
That was one I got a C- on.
Sounds like a bad day.
Yeah, I'm like, why did you do that? Okay, so then we should have the test statistic and the p-value already pulled up.
Okay, let me look and see what mine is.
And I have 11.509 for the test statistic.
Yep, that's what I got.
And the p-value just 0.000.
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Okay.
Right, 11.509.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
T-score. And 000. Okay, that's what I got.
Okay. Okay, this one, we always know that when it says does not equal 0.
Yeah, so
And sufficient evidence. Because we rejected.
so C?
Yep. Because if you reject, then there's sufficient evidence, right?
Does not equal 0. We conclude. Truly, okay. Does not equal 0 because we rejected.
Right. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
I think we're good on that one.
Okay, now my save.
Oh gosh. Yeah. Love it.
But a lot of these, I think all of them were on the previous assignments, except I couldn't find number 41. But
Oh, really? I didn't even try because I didn't think they'd make it that easy, but I'm glad to hear they're giving us a break.
So number 39 was in homework lesson quiz, homework quiz 12.
Okay.
And it was number 7.
Okay.
And it was a 1 sample t-test.
Okay, that's what I figured. That's what I had.
Good, see?
I know something.
Okay, and then 40 was in homework quiz lesson 13. That was also number 7. And it's a 1 sample z-test.
Okay, that's what I thought on that one too.
Well, good for you. Okay, so 41, I don't know. I had a test of 1 proportion, but that doesn't really, I don't know.
Well, that's what I thought it was too, because it's talking about age.
Yeah.
think that might be similar to the one we did. It was another exam prep. It was about
Yeah.
8 as well.
Okay.
Let me see
That
if
was my guess. I couldn't find anything to back it up.
let me, I'm going to try and look this up real quick. Let's
Okay.
see. I know we did, I know we did this the last exam prep.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Well, I had that one out and I couldn't.
Well, I'm not saying it's exactly the same question. I'm just saying we did the same thing, figuring out which thing.
Like similar.
Yeah. So.
You should see my desk. It's horrible. I have all these random papers.
Okay. I think it's similar to this. Oh, maybe not. There's 2 groups. This one has 2 groups. But let's see. It's a test of 2 proportions, but it has 2 groups. So this one, we only have 1 group, right?
Yeah.
So I think you're right. I think it's just a 1 proportion.
Okay. All right. I believe you. Okay, and then G. 42. Number G is also known as 42. That was found in homework quiz.
Sorry, Eloisa. She's going to have to watch it about 10 times just to figure out what we're talking about.
To be like, what did they just say? So that was in lesson 18, homework quiz number 10.
Okay.
It was a test of 2 proportions, which, makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, and then the last one. Well, the last one I didn't find, but I figured it was a linear regression.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck else it could be. So
I was like, I hope I know that one.
Yeah, really. I really hope I can remember that one.
Okay. Do you want me to turn mine in?
Awesome. Do you want to go through the answers first?
Sure.
Or do you just want to get it over with?
How about I'll turn it in and I'll see what I got wrong.
Oh, well, yeah, we do have a second go around, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to submit.
All right.
Okay, we got an A minus.
Wow.
1 is, yeah. So 1 and 2, 3 is correct. 4 is wrong.
4 is wrong.
4
What
is the
is
one where we
4?
put the median will increase.
Oh, okay. We didn't know what we were talking about.
Yeah, and I think it might stay the same.
So you think maybe it's C?
Yeah. For 4, I think maybe it's C. Yeah. Okay. Just a minute, sorry. My computer's like glitching on me. All right, so number 4. We missed number 5.
And
Yeah, I do not know how to do that one. See, I originally had got 97.7.
yeah, that makes sense from looking at the numbers, but it doesn't make sense from the wording of the question.
Yeah.
Because it's asking, I'm pulling up right now. It's asking what percentage will complete the exam in under 50 minutes? So it's got to be a small number.
Yeah. Okay, well, it's not 0.3.
Okay, well, you know.
Well, oh well. Even if we get an A-, I'm good with that. Okay. We missed number 20. So the answer probably is 50.
What? Oh my gosh, that matched up exactly with the quiz.
Really?
Yes. Maybe I had it backwards.
I bet you did, because I didn't think there should be a decimal point.
Oh, man. Sorry, I think these are all my answers we're getting wrong. You would have been better off without me.
Oh, so funny.
Nope. No, well, I'm going to have to look at that one again.
Okay, we missed 21.
What? What was that one?
So what would that be? Maybe we should have used the 0.233. N times 40.
Well, that would be the. If it's not B, then it's probably D.
Okay. Okay, so if you do multiply the 40 times 0.233, it is less than 10.
Yeah.
But how do we know which one to pick?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Moving on. 22, 23 is correct. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Okay, I think all the rest of them. Let me just. I guess if I wanted to subtract in my calculator or divide, then I could figure out if that equals a 90. So I think that was all we missed.
No way. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're saying 4 and 5.
Okay, let me look again. Let's see. I didn't even put them on my thing. Okay. Okay, yeah. So 4. Okay, 4 and 5.
Okay.
Which I have no clue what those are. Okay, 6, correct.
6 is correct.
Yep. Yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh my gosh. My computer skipped from 18 to 26. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, 18. Oh, I don't know what its deal is today.
It doesn't like statistics either.
No, now it went all the way back up to 10. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, it's okay. Mommy's almost done.
We won't torture you anymore until next week.
That's right. Okay. 13, 14. Oh my goodness. Oh. Sorry.
That's okay. I'm going to pull up this other test and see if I read it wrong.
Yes, you did.
Quiz.
Okay, 20 is wrong. Oh yeah, 20? That's what I thought. Yeah. 21's wrong. I think that was it.
So there's only 4 wrong.
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty amazing.
Oh, if we could only just get 4 wrong on the test.
Yeah. That would be extra amazing.
Yeah. That's not going to happen.
That's a whole other headache away.
Definitely. Okay, yeah.
All right,
Yay.
let me pull up this quiz and see what I had.
Please do.
Maybe they reworded it just to be sneaky. And I was thinking it was the same.
Well, when you were saying that, all I was thinking is the way that I thought it was is that if you did both of them and whichever one had the decimal point, it was incorrect.
Oh. Yeah.
But, you know, I could be wrong. That's just what I was thinking. Like, if one of them came out with a decimal point, then that was the wrong answer.
Okay.
But you were so sure about yourself.
Okay, so this is number 20. If P equals 4/5, what is the smallest value of L that, oh yeah, that's good. What is the smallest value of N that satisfies the requirement for the normally distributed P hat? So my question says, if P equals 4/5, what is the smallest value of N that satisfies the requirement for a normally distributed P hat?
Yeah.
What the heck?
And?
Okay. And it's 50.
Oh, wow.
So I had the exact opposite in my notes.
Yeah, that's a problem.
But that's what I went off of in the.
Well, so I would just go with what I do. I try both, and whatever comes out to an even number, that's the one I pick. I don't know if that's correct, but it works.
Wow.
So,
Okay, so number 20 is 50.
yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay. We have another chance.
Which is great.
I know. And I would have been fine with an A- too. So.
Well, I can, if you want to wait, I can submit mine and see.
Oh, you want to do it again?
What's that?
You want to do it?
Yeah, we decided everything we can decide here.
Yeah.
I can, if you want to wait, I'll put in all my answers and see.
Sure. I'll wait.
Okay.
And then I'll do it again. It's like we actually have 4 chances.
Teamwork.
That's right.
Okay, where am I here? I'll close out some of this stuff. So, and Eloisa gets the benefit from.
Yeah, what's that about? So not cool. So not cool, Lisa.
If we're even helpful to her, if we're even coherent.
Oh, we are. Okay. I'm just going to do it when you do it, but I won't turn mine in. Okay?
Okay. Sounds good. Well, okay.
Because I'm really not sure on the 68 thingy. But I'm really not motivated enough to want to, like, really try to fix it. So if I get it wrong, I'm
okay, number 1. True. Number 2 is only the first one.
Yep.
Number 3 is observational study because
Yep.
of price.
Mhm.
Okay. And 4, we're saying the median will stay the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that's what I think, but I don't know.
Well, it does make sense. If there's two 21s, it wouldn't change by adding an, or if there's already a 21, it wouldn't change by adding another 21.
Yeah. I don't
But
know.
then if it's wrong, then you'll have only,
Two choices.
yeah,
But no, it's not the last one.
I hope not. I don't know. Maybe it is.
Maybe. I don't think so, though. I mean, we should be able to figure it out. I wonder if I
What do
Google
you
it.
do for 5?
5? Okay. My 5, I got 97.7. So
Hmm.
I'm gonna go get my phone charger really quick. Okay?
Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Oh, I'm plugging you in.
Okay, I'm gonna try something crazy.
Huh?
I'm looking at my what's it called? It's not a chart and it's not a graph. It's a bell curve. Bell curve.
Yeah?
So if 70 is in the middle and there's 3 standard deviations on either side,
Yeah?
just the little left side would be what percentage of that whole of all the choices?
That's less than 50?
Yeah. Because it's divided into 6
So 10%?
chunks. It's 6 chunks. And it's 1/6 of that.
So
Would it be
you're just saying we
0.6?
divide one, what?
I'm saying it's like maybe 0.6 or would that be right?
So 1 divided by 6? 16%? 17%?
Is that what you got? 1 divided by
Yeah,
1 out of
1.666666.
6. Ooh, math is evil.
Sorry, I'm sideways.
Let's see, 1. So maybe 0.16? Or should we round it up then? 0.17?
Yeah.
All right, it's worth a shot. Since we have no clue. That could be your homework before the exam to figure out how the heck to do that thing.
But I don't care.
All
I'm
right.
getting 0%.
I'm just going to put it in and see what happens.
Okay.
Because if it's wrong, then you can figure out something else for yours.
Right.
Let's
If it's wrong, I'll just put in what I originally thought it was.
Okay.
That's
There
probably
you go.
really wrong.
Before people came into your life and gave you all the wrong answers.
No, no, I had no idea what I was doing. I just kind of, I don't know.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put 0.17 and see what happens.
Okay.
All right, number 6 is 146.8.
Yep.
7 is skewed right.
Yep.
8. 2.236, and that was right? That was.
Number 8. Yeah, 2.236. Yep.
Oh, we got those right.
I know.
I just realized. I just realized that. Holy crap! How is that possible?
Oh, I don't know. Divine intervention sometimes.
Well, I think that's what happened last week when your volume started actually working again.
Yeah.
Whatever.
I know. I was like, I don't know what's going on here, but I need you to work.
Spring, there it was. Okay, and 10, type 1 error,
Yep.
which still makes no sense to me, but
Yeah.
11, B and C, which don't have letters. The second and the third.
Yep.
Okay, 12 is the first one. Data are normal, yes, because data are normal. 13. Turn on my lamp, I can't see. 13. I hope my kid's riding the bus because I'm not leaving. The bus is done. He better not call me.
Well, ours were supposed to, but the bus is broken down.
Oh my gosh, no way.
Yeah. Normally I don't worry about it, and that's why I was like, oh, of course.
Sheesh. Is that how they solved their budget situation? Oh, the bus is broken. Sorry.
Yep. No bus
Wow.
today.
Okay, so number 14 is the last one. Dependent sampling. Couples.
Yep.
This is long. We've been doing this for so long.
I'm only on number 9.
Oh, sorry. You want me to slow down? I'm going to go through and recheck all of these before I submit. So
Okay.
I'll stop talking out loud and I'll just put in the answers.
No, you're fine. I keep checking mine. I'm like, I hope this is what I put last time.
Yeah, really. I hope I wrote it down properly.
Yeah. That's what I'm afraid of. We did really good, I think. Make sure you don't put any extra decimal points. I do that all the time. It'll mark you wrong. I actually did that on our last test,
Wow.
but she gave it to me.
Oh, she did after you emailed her?
Yeah.
That's good.
Listen, lady.
Oh, now I'm starting to panic. The wind's picking up again. I got to finish this and get it in. Get it submitted. Ah! Wireless internet. We're supposed to have internet backup, but it doesn't last very long. It only lasts about half an hour.
Is it windy a lot there?
No, but this year has been for some reason.
Oh.
Oh, they changed the thing on number 26.
What?
It's different than the practice test. That's why you were wondering what the heck I was talking about.
26.
And that's less than 10. It's still the last answer, but on the practice test, it had a different answer.
Oh.
Or it had different choices.
I got to number 20, which should be 50.
Yes, let's not forget that.
That's so funny.
I told you that test was jinxed. It's still haunting me.
It is. I can tell. Oh, dear. 22.
Oh, so we got the two about the weight loss thing. We got those right. 28 and 29.
Yeah.
Wow. It's not
Good
bad
job.
for not knowing what they're talking about.
Yeah, right? So funny. Oh, that's great. And the one, remember the 23, where yours was a 1 and mine was a 103?
Yeah.
So I got that right. So I'll
And
be
you
curious
had
to see what it.
You put in 0.103.
Yeah, remember we were talking about how I did it by hand and you did it in Excel,
Yeah.
but you looked it
I'm
up and you
curious
got it
now
right.
what that's gonna. I hope mine. If I put in 1.1, I wonder if that's gonna.
Well, it says 3 decimal places.
I'm gonna try it just to see if they are actually making accommodations for
Yeah.
different
Yeah, another
answers. Another chance to answer 40 plus questions. Yay!
Yay!
And it has to be done today too, right? It has to be because
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
it's due today, so I would think you have to.
Yep.
And 32 was right with strongly positive linear association that looks nothing like a line.
They'll be okay.
Okay when I pass this class.
I'm gonna have a party for myself.
No kidding. I am too.
This is the worst class I've ever taken.
Indeed.
Okay. I'm on 29.
Sweet.
I feel like I just did this though.
Kind of deja vu-ish.
Yeah, a little bit. Eloisa, we're doing it again, just for you.
And you benefit so much. I'll probably put in a decimal wrong or something, but ugh. I'm going to double check these before I submit.
Okay.
Oh, shoot. I didn't write down the letters on the
Oh, I got them.
hypothesis test. I gotta switch back and forth. Let's see.
I'm almost there.
Nope. Oh, wait. I'll go backwards. This is, yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. So. Okay, 39 is B. Right?
Yep.
40 is A. One.
You're not putting a period, are you?
No.
Just the letter by itself, and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
41 is F. And then G and I, right? G.
Yeah. So starting on 39, it's B, A, F, G, and I.
Okay. E, A, F, G, and I. Well, remember last time I put in a Y and it wasn't even an option?
But there was a y-intercept involved.
Yeah, well.
So your brain latched onto something, but fortunately it was. Okay, I'm just gonna try and check these really quick before I submit it. Make sure I got it.
Yeah, you want to check them with me?
Sure, if you want to.
Wow.
I was just gonna look through my things, but that might be faster if we just did it together.
Okay. So are we starting at the top?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, true.
Yeah.
2, the first one.
Okay, got it.
3, the third one.
Got it.
4, the third one.
The meeting will stay the same.
We
Got
hope.
it.
We hope.
We hope, yeah.
Oh, sorry, I'm on number 16 now.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay,
so
just a
I'm
minute.
putting, for number 5, I'm putting 0.17. We'll see how that flies.
Okay.
Number 6, 146.8.
Okay.
Number 7 is the first answer, skewed right. 8 is
Yep.
2.236.
Yeah.
Number 9 is 0.991.
Yep.
Number 10 is the first answer, type 1 error.
Mhm.
11 is the second and third
Yep.
answers. 12 is the first one.
Yep.
13 is 0.0195. Oh, we're supposed to round, huh?
Yeah. 0.020.
Oh, that's right. I had that.
Right?
Yeah. 0.020. Okay, good. Good thing I caught that. Number 14 is the last answer, dependent sampling for couples. 15, p-value is 0.096.
Yep.
16 is the third answer, no.
Yep.
P-value has a greater significance. 17 is the second answer, yes, the distribution is normal.
Mhm.
18 is the third answer.
Yep.
19 is 95% of all 95% confidence intervals.
Yep.
Number 20, which I shall never forget, n equals 50.
Good.
21, we're going with the last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are.
22 is the last one.
Yep.
23, I'm going to put, excuse me, I'm going to put 1 0.100 and see what happens.
Okay.
24 is the third answer, 0.182. 25 is the last answer, because we don't care, it's only science.
Yeah.
26, no, because it's less than 10. We'll see how that works. 27, the second answer.
Yep.
28, his actual weight loss is 5 pounds higher than predicted. Wow, he really did good there. And 29 is the third answer.
Yep.
Percentage goes up, the pounds go down, but up.
Yep.
Weight loss goes up.
Yep.
Okay, number 30 is the second and the two last answers.
Yep.
31, 0.780.
Yep.
32, linear with a fairly strong positive association.
Yeah.
If you squint, if you squint at it. 33, the BO is 115.640. 3 decimal places, and B1 is 0.627. They don't call it BO, do they? They call it something else.
Yeah, it's called something else.
But we're going to call it BO because it stinks.
Yeah, it stinks.
Yeah. Okay, number 34, Y equals 241.04.
Just 0.0.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because we're rounding. Okay.
Yeah.
So 241.0.
Yeah.
Okay. 35, 0.518 is the lower bound. And the upper bound is 0.735.
Yep.
Okay. And 36, we're saying the last one. 37, T equals 11.509.
Yep.
And the p-value is 0.000. And we're rounding to 3. Okay.
Yep.
38, we failed to reject because there's sufficient evidence that the slope of true linear regression does not equal 0.
Reject.
Reject the null.
I thought you said failed to reject.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me read. Let me check. Let me double check. Number 38. Right? Reject the null.
Yeah, there you go. Okay.
All right.
There is a difference.
Third answer. Yes, there is a difference. And then we have, starting with 39, we have B. 40 is A. 41 is F. 42 is G.
Yep.
43 is I.
Yep.
Okay, I am submitting.
Okay.
Let's see what it happens. 95%, so something is still wrong.
It's probably that 66 one.
4 and 5 are both wrong.
4 and 5. What the crap?
So it did not increase, and it did not stay the same.
So maybe we can't tell?
Maybe.
I have no idea.
But it is the full, isn't it the full data set right there? Well, okay. Oh, you know what? It goes all the way up to 99.
Yeah, it's a sample.
So maybe it is impossible to determine.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to pick.
Okay.
You can pick the other one if you want.
Okay.
Because why would it increase? I mean, decrease. That doesn't make sense.
I don't think it would.
Yeah. Okay, so number 5 we got wrong, so I'm going to try my 97.7 and see what happens.
Okay.
Were those the only 2 that we missed?
I think so. Let me look through the rest really quick.
Okay. And hopefully the teacher will she'll tell us how to do number 5.
Maybe, yeah, that would be nice.
So,
Since, yep, those are the only two.
oh yay. Okay, 97.7. It's probably totally wrong. Okay. So I'm going to submit mine now. Okay?
Okay,
And you can wait.
okay. I have to go. I have to go through and redo the whole thing to resubmit.
I know that. Yeah. That's one of, yeah. Okay.
Okay, so wait a minute. Number 21. Let me just double check that was right. Yeah, number 21 is the last one, and it's correct.
Okay. And are we sure number 20 is correct?
And number 20, we all know, is 50.
Oh, yeah. I missed one.
Oh,
and
no.
That's probably number 5, I'm guessing. Yep, number 5.
Okay, I thought you meant you missed another one.
Nope. Just number 5. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna stress over it. How long have we been doing this?
Oh, way too long. Way too long.
Yeah.
So number 4 is D, or the last one is not possible to tell.
Yep.
Okay.
We did pretty good.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. Only to miss one, and some of them we had no clue we were doing it right. So.
And we got those right, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
So number 5 is still a mystery.
And you know what? I'm sure it's probably some really easy thing.
Oh, probably.
So, oh well.
Okay, excellent.
All right. Thanks, Renee. Oh, do you want me to